Hi. This particular video contains instructions for using the GIS workstations located in the Digital Scholarship Lab at Florida Tech's Evans Library. If you envision yourself using ArcGIS elsewhere, you might want to skip this video. Of course, you are still absolutely welcome to stick around if you would like to do so. The first step in using the library's GIS workstations will be finding the Digital Scholarship Lab. If you haven't been there before, enter the library's lobby through either of the two entrances. Head for the staircase and climb the stairs to the second floor. When you get there, turn left, then just go straight, walk through some glass doors, and you will find yourself in the Digital Scholarship Lab. The 5 GIS workstations, each of which are provided with dual monitors, will be arranged along the far wall of the lab. When you use ArcGIS Pro for the first time in the Digital Scholarship Lab, you will need to complete a brief setup process. You might find, although I'm not making any promises, that there are already some written instructions at the workstation for performing this setup process, in which case you can use those instead of this video. However, just in case there aren't, let's proceed with the video. Log into any of the 5 GIS workstations using your Florida Tech Tracks username and password. Then, start up ArcGIS Pro. At the bottom of the ArcGIS sign-in window, click on the link for Configure Licensing. When the licensing window appears, set the drop-down menu for license type to Concurrent Use License. For license level, if it isn't already selected, select Advanced. To determine what to enter for the License Manager, consult either the written instructions or the Digital Scholarship Lab Manager Martin Gallagher. Then, type in the License Manager. Now, click on OK. You'll next see a message stating, "Attention required. ArcGIS Pro must shut down for your license changes to take effect." Just go ahead and click on OK. You will now be set up to use ArcGIS Pro. You will not need to repeat the setup process in the future. Now that we have that taken care of, in the next video, we'll start doing hands-on demonstrations to get you familiarized with ArcGIS Pro.